Plie Pyrda ya Lympung Iakob Siat Khnam second Ntpc national ranking archery tournament hang ni hapo nong ba mentagas ni ka arho tering batkan ne pras ni hakaba on sapen ha Pyrda haka arho praterik ulber haka ni sni lawan banya don lemringkat da upramot chandurkar Secretary General Archery Association of India kum ukongsan ba paya war nongbri Secretary Archery Association of Meghalaya Rajendra Singh Tomar Treasurer AAI ba finally Pariat General Secretary MSOA, Upendra Mishra, DGM, Ntpc, Robi Kapoor, Commandant 58, GTC, Kong Balarinas, EM District Sports Officer, West Khasi Hills District, Hakani Lympung Iakob Siat Khnam Kabaprasngi, Lapenya Daka Archery Association of Meghalaya Kabalalong, Ha Archery Ground Sai Nehu Campus, Shillong.
NTPC is associated this archery from 2018, but 2 years because of COVID it was lost, but now it has gathered the momentum, and at this moment I can assure you that NTPC is committed to do everything which will lift the archery and archers.